It was the first major snow of the year, and it was time to put the snow bike kit on the 450. We thought first, let's compare it against the e-bike, the Sur-On, and see how they do. And it ended up being an epic day. This is how the story goes. So what do you think, 450 versus e-bike in the snow?
If we're just riding with tires in the snow, it looks like the e-bike is more fun. For this kind of shenanigans, that's more fun because it's lighter and you can throw it around easier. But, you know.
And you can just low risk, just go up it. If you get stuck, then you just pick it up and flip it on over.
Yeah, and I mean, you could do that with a 452, but it's just way more work. Too much work. But, yeah. Worth it for the view, and what we've learned today is precisely why snow bikes were invented. For idiots like us who want a dirt bike all year, but live where it does this, because yeah, this is way more fun on a snow bike. I guess we should head back to the shop and put the snow bike kit on.
Let's do it. Parkour!